Welcome to another tutorial on CompuByte setting up branch settings and branch accounts. The first thing you have to do is go to each of your computers and set up Red Admin. You go to Google Chrome and you search for Red Admin free, Red Admin VPN free, Red Admin VPN free. Redmond free VPN. You click on it. It will come to the first link, which will be Red VPN download free VPN. Make sure it's coming from Redmond VPN and download the software. Once the software has been downloaded, you have to install the software. Once the software is installed, it will ask you to create a network. You create your network based on your company name and give the network password. Once you've got your network and your network password, you will see a dialog like the one that you're seeing here, Red Admin VPN, with your different computers that are linked up to the VPN. Once this has been established, your VPN has been established, you go to the command prompt at each branch and you type in the following at C://cd/ programs. So now you're in the programs directory. What you do is say copy con cw.bat. The first line is CLS, it's clearing the screen. The next line is net use h:, which is your head office, space /d/y. So you're deleting the drive first. Then you're going to connect to the drive. You say net use h:, space // and you look at your VPN and you will see the IP address for your head office. Now your IP address for the head office at the moment is 26.8.28.91. So you should put in the 26.8.28.91/C, and you put your username, whoever the username is at the head office. You must make sure that the head office drive is shared. The username at the head office is, just say, let's say it's Bassett, and the password is 1234. Then you put a slash and then you say persistent : yes. Then you press enter and then you press the F6 key. The F6 key will give you a Z, and you press enter and the file is now copied. So you have this file called CWBat in your programs directory. What you have to do is create a shortcut for it. So you go to your desktop, you right click on the desktop, anywhere on your desktop you right click, and you say new and you choose shortcut. Now you put the shortcut name C:/programs /cw.bat. That's the file that you just created. Now you type the name for the shortcut. You say connect to HO, head office, or you can type in the whole word head office, and you create this icon on the desktop for each branch. This only has to be done at the branches, not at the head office. So you'll have a connect to icon branch at the head office. Once that has been done, you go to your head office computer. You have to be now in your head office computer, and you open the program. Just close this session. Exit yes. And I'm going to open the program again, or whatever your access code is, and you have a list of your companies or your branches. Each branch got a number. Make sure that each branch got a number. You can create new companies if you don't have the branch number in, or you just use the current company numbers that are on the system. Now you go to this new or edit branches. You click on new or edit branches, put your access code, and it will list all your branches. You now have to set up whether the branch is an exempted or not. If it's exempted, when you're sending branch between the branches and the VAT is exempted, you put the square bracket E to exempt it. If the branch has has inclusive of VAT, but you want to charge VAT on the invoice, then you can put a square bracket V. So it's E is to exempt it, V is to if it's inclusive of VAT and you want to charge VAT on the invoice, you put V. Now you close, you just update it and close this program. You click on update and then close the program, close the window. You've now set up all your companies. Now you have to go into your parameters at the head office, put in your access code. You'll now see all your parameters. You only want to see branch parameters, so you put in BRA minus. So it shows you all the branch parameters. Now it will show you parameter 4, parameter 79, parameter 112, parameter 201. These are all your branch parameters. You set all of these parameters up. If you're at the head office, you should make sure that parameter 261 is set up at the head office, and at the branches you set up parameter 260. All these parameters must be set up at the branch computers. Once the parameters has been set up, you click on OK. Now you go into operator numbers 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4. You must also make sure that parameter 555 is set up to 1 to use the all new interbranch account creator. So once you're in your computer at your head office, you click on exports. And you will see all your companies listed here as branches that you can invoice to. You do the same thing at the head office as well. You click on export and it will create all the companies for you at the branches once you've connected the branches to the head office. Very important new function in the CompuByte point of sale software for branch connectivity checklist is to go to exports. You go to compare what was dispatched with what was retrieved at the branches. You click on it and then it will show you process branch to branch, so you can see from one branch to another branch what you've sent and what items they have not received as yet. So if I want to just see all the branches, I just click on all inter branches and it will go through the whole process of going through all your branches and seeing which items has not been received by a particular branch and do the update for you. Now you can see a list of all the documents that were not received from which branch to which branch it was not received. You can print this list out and now you have all your information set up on your computer. That's all for the CompuByte tutorial, for this CompuByte tutorial. Thanks for watching and bye for now.